Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. Just click on the link and it will take you directly to the website for you to get this box. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I'm getting in this box in case you don't want the box, but there's stuff in the box that you want, so you'll also see links down there. Now, if there's a link that you want to a certain bead and you don't see it, it's probably because I could not find the bead. That happens sometimes. Alright, so let's go ahead, open this up, and see what we got. It's knotted, so I got my knife to cut it. Okay. So this month's box is a really good box to get. December's box, because they every year, I think this is the third year of getting the subscription, they give me $20 coupon. So this here, this, in case you're new again, this has a link to a secret website that you can only, a video that you can only watch if you're a member to the subscription. So you put in the link, it'll take you to a video tutorial and it'll show you how to create the projects in this box. And usually December's box has like a full set, a necklace, earrings, and bracelet. So I'll see if this one has it too, but I swear the last 2 years they've done that. And right here is my coupon, and inside there's a coupon code to get $20. Yeah, $20 off my order, but it has to be a $40 purchase, which is not bad at all. So how awesome is that? And also, there's a little note in there. Yes, it's Merry Christmas. Okay. And then here are the beads for this month's project. Okay. So the first thing is a 4mm round jump ring. So I'll set this here and let me know what you think of my background. I got a new bead tray, and it's called cream or beige or something like that. And it fits fully in my camera frame. The other one I was using didn't. Okay. These are twisted drops. I've seen these in 2 sizes. This bead is clear, but it has, I don't really know what to call this. It's not AB. It's kind of like the Murray or the other one that I get a lot. It's really cool. It's very flashy, colorful bead. There's a lot here. They're really neat. I've actually used these in flowers before. Okay, so there's those, and there's these here. These are really cool. I think I've gotten this. It's a twisted, it's like a disc bead, but it's a square, but it's not just a square, it's also twisted, almost like the ripple, the 12mm disc beads they're called ripples, and they use them a lot in stitching. That's what this bead's kind of like, but the twisted square. And I think this is Labrador Fool on this bead, so the whole thing is coated. Do you guys remember? I wonder. I did a project where I took flat disc beads and I stitched them together. That probably would not work because they're twisted. But if these were flat, I could probably use them in that project. I connected the disc beads together like this. I don't know if you remember. And I did like right angle weave, but I did it instead of horizontally flat, I did it vertically, if that makes sense. So I'll put a picture in now. I did a bracelet and earrings with a technique like this. I don't think it's going to work with the square, but if these were flat squares, it probably would work. Okay, so there's those. And then there's a lot of drops in that bag. A lot of squares too. So the other box that I get, this is the Bohem box, but the Czech Beads exclusive box, this one also has the $20 coupon. Let me check. Yep, it does. So I'll be filming that one next. So this is pearls. These are 8mm dark gray pearls. Yeah, it's actually hematite color. So it looks just like hematite. Okay. So there's that. And then we have some findings. Hey, we have silver and gold findings. So we have silver, looks like size 2 crimp tubes. And then we have gold crimp tubes. Oh my gosh, I think we're going to have 2 different projects maybe. I don't know. Okay, slide down the bag. I'm going to start in a row. We have a gold Lobster Claw clasp. It's the 9mm size. It's really small. And then we have a split ring. Okay, and there's more beads coming. We have leaf beads. These are adorable. I've never seen them in this color. They're green, but they have this coating. I don't know what it's called. I gotta figure it out. I think I have something like this in a, what's it called? Magatama that I bought years back, but I don't remember what it's called. Both sides look really cool because it has that on that side there. That side looks so bright with the green. So those are cool. I like those leaves. Okay. There's my leaves. And then we have, those are jumps, 2 gold jump rings. They're 8mm or 7. And then we have silver jump rings. I wonder if this is going to be a mixed color, mixed metal project, or if we're going to have 2 different projects. When I first started getting this box, there would be a bracelet and a necklace, but they were different. They didn't match each other. And for a while now, they've been doing sets. Okay, so we have pinch beads. Again, it has, I don't know if that's the same color. It's a clear bead, but it has that moray finish on it, something like that. Is there another one called Heliotrope? I think that one's purple. So there's the pinch bead. Right. We have Lobster Claw. So there's a silver and gold Lobster Claw. We have findings in 2 different colors, silver and gold. That's a small lobster again. I think that's a 9mm size. And then we have hearts. Oh my gosh. I love these. They're double-sided. One side and the other side. They look the same. These are gorgeous. What is that? I wonder what that bead is. I love these. Those are really pretty. Now that's definitely green, but this one here has blue, pink, green. This one's all green. I wonder if this too has the same, these leaves and the hearts, if they have the same finish on them. You know, if I put the code in and I go onto the website, it'll tell me. Okay, this is adorable. I love this. This is a crown charm, but it's double-sided, so it's awesome. I like the double-sided charms the most. It's thick too. Look how thick it is. It has a really big loop, which I like. It's made well, strong, and that's just precious. Very cute. Okay, so far I feel like all the beads go together. Yeah, but we have 2 different finding colors. Wow. Those are really cool. I think this is the same finish, this metallic green on here, but this bead's matte. I think I actually might like these more, because I don't see matte leaves very often. Most of my leaves are shiny. This style, I have a lot of these in the shiny, the clear, transparent. Those are really awesome. And this one, you can clearly see which side is the back and the front. So that's going to be the back, and that's the front. And whenever I weave these together in a ring, I have to make sure that they're going in the same direction, and they kind of do like a spiral look, I guess I could say. Those would be really awesome in the flowers. Okay. And then we have more pinch. Oh, these are colored. So maybe, wait, no, maybe not. This might be, this is a magic. So I have, there's this one color line they have, it's called Magic. I have the Magic Blue in my stash. I have it in round duos, the 5mm one. I have Magic Blue cut buttons. I have Magic Blue super duos, but there's also one that is called Red Wine. That's magic. That one's also gorgeous. And there's Slipper It, I think. There's a line of them, but this looks like the yellow one to me. Do you see the yellow right there? They're really unusual. Very neat. I feel like when I get beads like this, right, and I go to put them in my stash, I have no idea what color to put them on, because I sort my beads by color. Would I say this bead is yellow? Would I say that it's brown? Because there's so many different shades in there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to skip ahead, because I see this bag right here. I'm really interested in this. Oh, this is a Druk. I thought these were going to be the mushroom Czech teardrops. But these are 4mm Czech Druks in this color. I really gotta find out what this color is called. It's kind of like Rainbow Iris, but there's silver in it. Do you see that? And it's not fully coated. If you look at them, and put it up to the light, you'll see clear spots. Let me see if I can find one. This one maybe? Or is this bead black? Oh, this one's not clear. This is a black bead. So it's like AB finish, but it's all over the bead, but you'll see bare spots. Like, see that black line? So those are awesome. I would like to have a lot of those. They would be really cool in weaving projects, pendants, earrings, bracelets. Okay, here's my Runaway Beads over here. So far, there is a lot in this box. Okay, I hope I'm not missing any. Beads. We have 2 ball head pins, like an inch or 3/4 of an inch long. So that will be maybe some kind of a charm dangle or earrings. There's a Fuchsia pearl, pretty pink, 6mm. Oh, this is the same exact pink in there. I did not even realize that. This is matte gray 7mm. I swear this is in between those two. I find it very important whenever I'm weaving a project, and if something's not working out on a row that I'm on, I find it very important to measure my beads with a caliper, because that could be throwing off the design. I've had that issue a lot. And some beads, they will say that they are 4 millimeters, but I'll measure them and they'll be like 3.4 millimeter or 3.5. And that amount, believe it or not, that little difference will throw off a design. Here's another pearl. This is not fuchsia though. This is a different shade. This is big. I think this is a 12 millimeter. Did you guys see last month's BohemStyle box? It was so pretty. It was done with pearls. It was a necklace and earrings. Oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. It was gold. I'll put it up now. I really liked it. Okay, so now this is another pearl. This is 10 millimeter. I think we're going to have 2 different projects. These Czech pearls are very pricey. I went shopping for them and I couldn't believe how expensive they were. So there's gray. This is lighter. Isn't this in between? Yeah, it's kind of in between. I wonder if that will be a dangle. We have bead string wire. Okay. And then we have, oh, there's another baggie. We have 2 large pearls. These look like a 12 millimeter again. Right now I feel kind of stumped as to what these projects are gonna be. So we didn't get earring findings, and usually they do, you know, on the holidays they've been doing earrings, bracelet, and necklace, but maybe they got something else up their sleeve. This is actually a really strange color. I guess it's gray. Maybe it's like silver gray. Yeah, maybe more silver gray. So there's more Czech pearls. And it looks like we have a drop left. So I think the 2 pins that we got will be for this bead. There's going to be a pin on this bead, and I think there's going to be a pin on that bead. That's just my guess. I don't know for sure. I like to make guesses, and then it's kind of funny if I do get it right. And then, you know, if I'm totally wrong, I also think that's funny. But I like to guess and see. This is Montana Blue, yeah? Yeah, Montana Blue Czech drop. So beautiful, perfect quality, rounded holes, will not cut your thread. Beautiful facets. Alright, so that's it. And we might have a necklace and a bracelet. I'm thinking that's what's going on. I will see. This is really cool, festive, metallic colors, so I'm excited to see what the project is going to be. So there's everything in the box. This is it. Remember, I will leave a link, and my board did move. I will leave a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription box, and right now is a really good time to get it because, like I said, you're going to get a $20 coupon, and in order to get $20 off, you have to spend $40. Yeah, you will get $20 off if your order total amount will be $40 or more. So right now is a really good time to subscribe to this box. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will leave a link for the box down there below in the description bar, and I'm going to leave individual links to the beads here in case you want to get some of these. And if you don't see the link posted down there below, it's because I couldn't find it. But sometimes what I do is I'll find a substitute for something here and I'll put it down there. It's the best that I could do. So this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.